Hey, what is going on YouTube? It is your boy 007. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a group chat in Snapchat. So let's launch Snapchat. Let's go to the messages, and then what you need to do is to click on this icon in the top right corner of the screen. So let's click on the icon, and as you can see, we have a few options here. We could select new group and all of that. So let's select new group, and we could add up to 63 people to a group. So let's click on the new group option and let's give it a name, test, and let's click the check. And as you can see, we have test, and we could select the members which we'd want to add to the group. So simply select and then start the group chat. So that is how you go about creating a group chat on Snapchat. So I hope this was helpful to you guys. Thank you guys for watching.